A boat ride at Ooty Lake is a must-do activity for anyone visiting the area. Surrounded by lush greenery and beautiful hills, the lake offers a serene atmosphere perfect for relaxation. Visitors can choose from a variety of boating options, including paddle boats, row boats, and motor boats, catering to different preferences. As you glide through the calm waters, you can enjoy the stunning views of the surrounding landscapes, making it an ideal spot for photography enthusiasts. The boating experience is not only peaceful but also a great way to spend quality time with family and friends. Ooty Lake and Sims Park are two of the most popular tourist attractions in the picturesque hill station of Ooty, nestled in the Nilgirai Hills of Tamil Nadu, India. A visit to these scenic spots promises a refreshing and memorable experience. After the boat ride, a visit to Sims Park in Coonoor is highly recommended. Established in 1874, this botanical garden is spread over 12 hectares and is home to a wide variety of exotic plants and trees. The park's beautifully landscaped gardens, colorful flower beds, and well-maintained walking paths provide a perfect setting for a leisurely stroll. Sims Park is also known for its annual fruit and vegetable show, attracting tourists and horticulture enthusiasts from around the world. Combining a boat ride at Ooty Lake with a visit to Sims Park creates a delightful experience, offering the best of nature and relaxation in the charming hill station of Ooty.